How to use Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to use Spotify, first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device and search for Spotify just to make sure you have an updated version of the Spotify application. So let's tap on Spotify, and here you can see we have an update available. So you can simply tap on update and start updating the application. Now for that, you'll have to make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. And if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now it might take few seconds or a little bit of more time depending on the kind of connection you have. So after it gets updated, it will be installed on your device as well. Now let's wait for a while until it gets updated, and until it gets updated we'll not be able to open the application as well. So let's wait for a few more seconds and it will be ready to open. So let's just wait, and we can simply just go back and tap on Spotify over here. So let's just open the Spotify application, and in order to launch the Spotify application, you can use your email address or any of your Google account or Apple account and so on. You can go for any of these accounts in order to create your account on Spotify as well. So let's just tap on Play Store to check if we can open up the Spotify application. It's still installing, so let's wait again for a few more seconds until it gets updated and installed the latest version of the Spotify application on the device. So let's tap on open and make sure that you have logged in with your particular account that you want to associate on Spotify. And what you can simply do on Spotify is create your account and listen to songs that you really like, that is from your preference based on the artist, the songs that you'd like, and so on. So this is how you can simply tap on search bar and search for any songs that you'd like. You can tap on your library option and listen to the favorite artist of yours. Tap on premium and get the premium version for various more benefits. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.